Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. Today's video is regarding a planner. As the year starts, we all purchase planners, and this is the Planner 2021 by Tiny Change. It comes in this box that says dream, believe, do, repeat. And as per the cost, it says 1699, but I have bought it from Amazon and it has retailed to me of 969 rupees only. As we take out the planner, we get these two books out of the planner. This is a mini tiny 2021 pocket planner. It is beautifully designed with a calendar, key dates to remember, and then the planner goes week by week, day by day, and month by month. So it's a small planner to keep it in your pocket or your handbag. It's a pocket planner by Tiny Change 2021, and we get both of these things in the box. After that, coming to the main planner, that is Tiny Change 2021 Life Planner. It's their classic edition in blue color in A5 size. This is just for decoration. You can take this out. And now I'll see this. This is the planner of, it's a blue color. It's a nice blue color and Tiny Change is engraved on it. Then at its back, it's a simple plain planner. At the end of the planner, it has a pocket which has free goodies in it. Let's take them out as well. It has two postcards that say thank you, thank you. Then it has two posters that says, one says don't give up, fall 7 times and stand up 8. It's a Japanese proverb. It's a beautiful poster. You can paste it anywhere in your room or at your laptop or at your study table. Then the second poster says happiness is a habit, cultivate it. Again, these two posters are there. And then we have stickers. These stickers can be used in the planner itself or somewhere else. Urgent, important, call. These are some food stickers, some other stickers, some cake stickers you can see. Then these are some date stickers or month stickers. These are beautiful ones. And then we get the bookmarks. It has two bookmarks you can cut from in between. One says turn those dreams into plans and other says dream, plan, execute. Moving forward to the planner, let's start. It comes with a thank you note from the creator. Dear valued customer, it is our profound honor on behalf of the Tiny Change team to personally thank you for choosing one of our premium products from Team Tiny Change. So it's a thank you note which comes to all the customers. Starting with the planner, it has a good paper quality. The way how the planner is being structured is given here, how it is structured, and then comes the life compass. Live what you love. In life compass, you see my true self. Here you can fill what all are your like if you had all the money in the world, how would you spend your time, and such questions like that. You need to fill them all. This is nice. You need to know more about yourselves, my life achievements, whatever that you have achieved in your life till now, your top 30 achievements, my dream life, master list of goals, what all you want to achieve in next 30 years. Nice. Then moving forward to other things and key learnings from 2020. 2020 has taught us all a lot and a very good lessons of life. So write here down what have you learned, what you have learned from the year 2020. Moving forward to 2021 roadmap. Now here we end the year 2020. We come up with 2021. Here you have to write your 3 big goals for 2021, the roadmap for all the 3 big goals of 2021. Quality of life regarding body, mind, relationships, and world around me. Then your ideal week design. It is for every half an hour, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can write here in detail if you have such designs, or your routines like your morning routine, your work day starter routine, your work day closure routine, and your night routine. Then comes the planning pages. It starts with the calendars. You can mark the dates of the birthdays, anniversaries, or other important dates. The helicopter view, the monthly pages, the weekly pages. These are just the explanations. Then these 2 pages are very nice in this planner. You can read it out. 10 essential planning tips for 2021. These are the tips given by Tiny Change themselves. How you should plan your day or how you should plan your life. Planning is very important, whether it goes with days, months, weeks, or for your whole life. They are now on the right hand side. It has a very beautiful page regarding top life lessons from high achievers. There are various lessons like know where you want to go in life, don't forget to enjoy the journey, invest in skills early in life, pay attention to what you eat, stay hydrated throughout the day, get at least 8 hours of quality sleep, move your body like you mean it, learn something new every day, do something you love every day. So these are the life lessons. Then we will start with the January. Every month starting has this beautiful page. It has very nice kind of drawings, and it is written the name of the month which starts. Here it will be a quote. Here it is, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then it is not an act but a habit. Starting with the month, now every month has the same details. I would explain just one month. It starts with anchor, big three, tasks, quality of life, the calendar, sort of a thing. You can write here all the appointments or the important things you need to do in this month, your monthly expenses, how much are you going to spend this month. So we start with the first week. As the week proceeds, there are days where you can write the things, you can plan your days. Then at the end of the week, you should write your achievements, your learnings, and this week I'm grateful for. And at the end of every week, there's a weekly challenge. Like at the end of this week, it is written, this week call up an old friend. And there are different challenges at the end of every week. This is one thing I really liked about the planner. These are very nice challenges, and you should actually take them up and fulfill them. Then you can journal here at this part. It's written, or you can put some stickers, or you can draw something, whatever you want to do. As the week's end of every month, there is a last page. Then it is a monthly review. Stop, look, proceed. January review. What were your wins? What were your enables, misses, learnings, self evaluation, and bottom line? This is the way how every month is being designed. Then this is for February, March, and so on. The quality of page is very nice. It's very beautifully designed. You should fill up the planners and take up the planners, quite cost effective as well. Then when you end the planner, like this is the ending of December, this is the page 2021 year end celebration. As the year ends, you have to fill these things. There are various questions about 2021, your top achievements, the moments that I will always cherish. Then comes the life kit. This is my favorite part of the planner. Here it is, the bucket list. Actually, on the right hand side, you have to write your bucket list, the things you want to do, things to do in life before I kick the bucket. So here are some ideas about the bucket list. There are beautiful ideas. Whatever you want to do, you can just highlight it, and your personal bucket list should be here. You should write it, fill it up, what your bucket list is, what you want to do before you die. Then you can put the photographs of your loved ones, or you can write here what all possessions are your precious possessions of your life. Self-care plan. You can write here the activity, type, duration, and frequency, how you take care of yourself. Inspiring quotes. You can write here inspiring quotes by famous authors or writers. Binge watch. What movies or what series you want to sit and watch. Your wonder list for where the places you have been to and the places you want to go. What you want to buy this year, your favorite content creators in terms of websites, blogs, social media handles, curators, writers, artists. Skills you want to build, your power network, books to read, concepts to learn, subscriptions tracker, and then comes the budget or the meal planner, grocery planner, etc. And here, this is again for the journaling purposes. It's a beautiful pages of few pages are given for journaling as well. So this is the tiny change planner. It's quite cost effective, nice, and I wanted to show you this also. You can put your pen or anything with which you write normally in your planner. You can put them here, and you can, then it has this elastic, you can just tie it here. So it's a nice planner which is cost effective, beautiful, colorful, and I would recommend you to buy one. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet.